Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance apps, focusing on two heavyweights, SoFi and Webull. Choosing the right online financial platform can be a game changer for your financial journey, so let's break down their features and services to empower you to make an informed decision as we take a closer look at SoFi and Webull, uncovering their strengths, weaknesses, and everything in between. Trading platforms. The trading platforms of both brokers are designed to cater to different types of investors. SoFi features SoFi Invest, which includes active investing for self-directed trading and automated investing for robo-advisory services. Webull offers a comprehensive trading platform with advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and in-depth market data. Investment options. Both SoFi and Webull provide a variety of investment choices. SoFi allows trading in stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and offers automated investing portfolios. SoFi also provides access to IPOs for eligible members. Webull offers stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Webull stands out with its extended hours trading and no minimum deposit requirement. Commissions and fees. Understanding the fee structures is crucial for cost-conscious investors. SoFi charges $0 for trading stocks and ETFs, no account fees, and competitive rates for crypto transactions. SoFi's automated investing has no management fees. Webull also charges $0 for trading stocks, ETFs, and options. There are no account maintenance or inactivity fees. Research and education. Both platforms offer resources to help investors make informed decisions. SoFi provides educational content through articles, videos, and webinars. It also offers financial planning and career coaching for members. Webull delivers robust research tools, including real-time market data, customizable charts, technical indicators. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for managing investments on the go. SoFi, the mobile app is intuitive and easy to navigate, offering features for trading, managing accounts, and accessing educational resources. Webull, the mobile app is highly rated for its advanced trading tools, real-time market data, and customizable interface. It caters to active traders who need detailed analytics and fast execution. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers can add value for new users. SoFi frequently offers promotions such as cash bonuses for opening new accounts, referral bonuses, and discounts on loans for SoFi members. Webull often provides promotions like free stocks for new account holders, referral bonuses, and periodic trading contests with cash prizes. Security and accessibility. Robust security measures are vital for safeguarding user funds. SoFi implements strong security protocols, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and FDIC insurance for SoFi Money accounts. Webull employs advanced security features, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and SIP insurance for investment accounts. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. SoFi appeals to younger investors and those looking for a comprehensive financial solution, including investing, lending, and cash management. Webull targets active traders and investors seeking a sophisticated trading platform with advanced tools and data.